Hi, this is Erwin Reyes, Application Engineer of Access Frontier and the Level 1 Thermographer. We created this video to give you an overview of the product, the applications, and the key features. Guide B series is an efficient, budget-friendly, and complete-equipped infrared thermal imaging camera. This robust and very handy high-tech system thanks to its intuitively learnable handling and user-friendly single-hand operation, which make it an ideal tool for troubleshooting electrical installations, mechanical components, building, process equipment, HVAC equipment, and more. The GuideSense Smart B series was designed specifically for the building inspections professional. Whether you are HVAC contractor, building inspector, home inspector, energy auditor, roofing inspector, facility maintenance, this product is designed to meet your needs. The key application for the GuideSense Smart B series thermal scanner includes power system, solar energy, photochemical application, industrial process, building inspection, inspection and quarantine, medical diagnosis. In the application for power system, thermal imaging technique is an advanced technology for diagnosing the hotspot in substations, transmission lines, and distribution network, which plays a key role in finding, preventing, and handling the accident in power industry. Infrared technology gives us the ability to see and measure temperatures on defective components and the normal wear, chemical contamination, corrosion, fatigue, and faulty assembly in many electrical systems. It helps quickly locate hotspots, determine the severity of the problem, and help establish the time frame in which the equipment should be repaired. In solar energy, the infrared thermal imaging can quickly detect abnormal hotspot from thousands of solar modules in photovoltaic power generations. It can slash labor costs and improve detections. In photochemical application, thermal imaging technology has a broad application prospect in photochemical and metallurgy industry, which can be widely used in various inspections, steel ladles, blast furnaces, converters, rotary kilns, and key channels. Thermographic cameras help not only with the difficult diagnostic challenge, but also with day-to-day predictive maintenance operations. They are the most effective and direct tools to meet and exceed the most stringent monitoring and inspection requirements. In industrial process application, checking the quality of the products in the earlier stages of production plays a crucial role in quality assurance and cost control. Infrared thermal imaging technology could be used for almost all industrial manufacturing process control. The same principle also works with detecting moisture, pollution, the thickness of material, and the tightness of composite material. Many processes that can be monitored by the naked eye due to smoke obstruction, but this problem can often be solved by the infrared thermal imaging camera. In building inspection, if the building has design defects such as unqualified insulation, hollowing, moisture, and so on, normally we cannot detect them by naked eyes. The infrared thermal imaging technology to identify the safety of the building from the temperature distribution of the surface. It could also be used in detecting defective insulation, electrical failure, water seepage, pipeline transportation, worm erosion, mold, and so on. Thermal camera can also be used for inspection and quarantine. Infrared thermal imaging technology can also play an important role in controlling the spread of disease. It is professional in taking thermal images even on the flowing crowds with a high efficiency and distinguish those with elevated temperature, which indicates possible presence of the fatal virus like SARS, Zika virus, and coronavirus. In medical diagnosis, medical infrared thermal imaging technology has its unique diagnostic value. Painful diseases often show a significant body temperature difference in the lesion region, such as acute chronic shoulder and neck pain, cervical spondylopathy, lumbar spondylosis, myofascial pain syndrome, etc. And now we go on to the key features of our product. Guide B series is an efficient, budget-friendly, and completely equipped infrared thermal imaging camera. It has 3.5 large screen with no image cropping, high brightness screen to show image with no detailed information, lost even outdoor or in highlight. Friendly UI, easy to use without training. For image presentations, it has infrared, visible, picture-in-picture, and image fusion. Rugged and compact design. Standard micro USB interface for data transmission and charging. Removable large capacity lithium-ion battery. It's 4 hours working time. Optional Wi-Fi connection with notebook or mobile. Multi-native charging model is selectable. The adapter, computer, car charger, dual battery charger. Then, you can connect this thermal imager to your mobile phone. You can import images or videos to mobile devices, process and analyze on them to get an immediate report. Or you can also share the results with your fellows or decision makers. With the application installed on the mobile devices, you can also free your hands during the inspection to get some relief. The application will support you to accomplish all basic operations on the camera, such as focus, shutter actions, electronic zoom, palette shift, image mode shift, etc. This thermal camera has included software for your PC. Images capturing by an infrared camera is only the first step of an infrared inspection. Guide IR Analyzer will help you accomplish the full inspection process until a professional report is submitted. Various images and videos resources, image processing, video analysis, preference settings, report generation in PDF or Word format. And for the standard accessories, lithium-ion battery, power supply adapter, adapter plug, wrist strap, USB cable, quick start guide, data download card, and a 16GB SD card. And for the optional accessories, camera carrying pouch, battery charger, and the additional lithium-ion battery. In Guide SenseSmart B Series thermal scanner, we have 3 models, the B160V, the B256V, and the B320V. The difference of these 3 models is on their IR resolution, focal length, field of view, and instantaneous field of view. If you are looking for the better thermal camera, you must consider the size of the IR resolution. The higher the resolution, the better. These are the components of the Guide SenseSmart B Series. Turnover lens cap, visible light or visible camera, lens or the IR lens, camera button, wrist strap hanger, battery release key, USB interface, menu, replay, battery, battery lock, SD card slot, on-off, auto and manual return, and then the navigational key. Take a look on the main menu operation. On the main menu, it has full screen, temperature analyze, emissivity settings, the palette colors, temperature setting, and the system settings. The image mode is one of the key features of Guide SenseSmart B Series. Guide SenseSmart B Series has 4 image mode. You can choose from the IR mode, visible mode, MIF, and the picture-in-picture. In the image mode, this allows the operator to combine the thermal and visual images by setting a percentage of thermal image versus the visual image. In the picture-in-picture, it allows the operator to combine the images from the digital camera and the thermal imaging camera. If you want to capture an image, you need to use the trigger button. All the captured image are being saved on the thumbnail. And in a thumbnail, you can see the IR image together with the visible image. And on the selection of the temperature measurement pattern, if you choose temperature analyze, it shows point, area max, area mean, above, and below. If you choose point, the thermal imager shows a center point with temperature equivalent on the left side. If you choose area max, the thermal imaging camera will show a rectangular box. This rectangular box will find the hottest temperature. And if you choose area mean, the thermal camera will show a rectangular box, and this rectangular box will show the coldest temperature. On the selection of emissivity, if you select emissivity settings, it will show a list of materials with emissivity value. On the selection of color band or palette, this thermal camera has 6 palette color: the white hot, iron red, hot iron, arctic, rainbow 1, and rainbow 2. On the temperature settings, to make it more accurate, we can set the reflect or the ambient temperature, humidity, and the distance. We can select from degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. We can also set the alarm temperature, the high temp and the low temperature alarm. In the general settings, you can set the auto off, time and date, language, brightness, and where do you want to save your data, internal storage or on the external storage. Lastly, this thermal camera has a built-in user guide. Just in case that you forgot the operation, just select help and it will show the quick operation guide. It shows the key guide, temperature settings, custom emissivity, manual level and span, alarm temperature, camera mode, and brightness. That's all for our Guide B series tool light thermal camera. Again, I'm Erwin Reyes. Bye bye and have a nice day.